In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage Google business profiles for multiple locations. Managing multiple business profiles effectively can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can streamline the process and keep everything organized. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to go to business.google.com/locations, http business.google.com locations. This is where you can see all your existing businesses. Once you're there, simply log in with the account associated with your business profiles. This initial step helps you assess how many locations you're currently working with and ensures you have everything at your fingertips. If you have multiple locations to manage, creating a business group will be essential. This allows you to control all your locations from a central point, making things much easier. Start by clicking on the Businesses tab in the top left corner of the Business Profile Manager. This will give you a comprehensive view of your registered businesses. Now you'll want to select the businesses you wish to manage collectively. Click on the tick boxes next to the businesses you are targeting. This grouping method facilitates bulk actions and keeps your operations cohesive. Once you've made your selections, locate and click on Create Group at the upper left of the page. Here you have the option to rename this business group. Choose a name that easily identifies the group's purpose or location specificity for your records. After naming the group, simply click Create and your business group is ready to use. Should you need to add locations individually down the line, it's equally straightforward. For each business, click on the pencil icon symbolizing the edit feature. This takes you to the location settings. Here, enter the necessary details for each location, include the business name, address, phone number, and website. Filling out these fields accurately ensures potential customers can find accurate information about each location. Moreover, picking an appropriate business category is also crucial. This categorization helps Google organize your business, making it easier for searchers to yield your profile. If your business offers services to certain areas, be sure to specify the service areas as well. This step further enhances your business's reach and helps customers know where your services are available. Finally, managing all these businesses on one page means any updates, reviews, or problems can be swiftly addressed in a streamlined manner. This centralized control allows for better consistency across all locations, presenting a unified image to your customers. By the end of this setup, managing your Google business profiles for multiple locations will be simplified and your workflow will be significantly more efficient. Utilizing this system keeps your data organized and ensures every location under your business is aptly represented online. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your business endeavors.